Hey guys, welcome to applediaries.com. I thought I'd share something different today. Um, I've been experimenting with low fat, vegan, low protein recipes for over 7 years now because that's what's going to keep us healthy. That's how I've healed my health issues. Aside from getting to the all fruit level. Sometimes when I'm in regular eating phase, which is, we have the vegetables for building, and then we have the fruits for cleansing. So I like to make flatbreads, my version of flatbreads. So I always just wing it, but I'm gonna create a recipe ebook. I've decided it's time. So this one I've just done dates with blended carrot, zucchini, and apple, and then I added back in some shredded carrot as well. I'm going to put this in the dehydrator, and when it comes out, I'll do another video hopefully when it comes out, or some photos anyways to add to this post. I like to top it with a little avocado, a little tomato, and sprouts that I've grown myself in my kitchen. Here are my sprouts, my sprouting trays. Oh, I've just rinsed them, so they're still with water, but got lots of alfalfa sprouts going. Very easy to grow yourself in the winter. No need to get greens from the grocery store if you're not into that. So I will do another post, another short video on what the flatbread looks like, probably tomorrow. So happy healing, everyone. So here I just wanted to show you that I've now placed the flatbread. I've spread it out into my dehydrator trays. So I've got 3 large loaves, I guess you could call them. 3 large flatbreads, and they're gonna go into my Excalibur dehydrator. So I'll show you the finishing product when they come out. So here I've taken it out of the dehydrator. It's not entirely done though, it's quite soft. So what I'm doing is I'm turning it upside down, and it's hard to do with one hand holding the camera. I should have got a tripod or something, but I'm peeling off the wax paper. You get the idea. Then I'm going to put it back in the dehydrator for the rest of the evening, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's complete. Here it is, the finished product. Just wait until I get some avocado and tomato and homegrown sprouts on this. And here is the finishing touches. So we've got the flatbread with tomato, avocado, and sprouts. Delicious. Delicious and very filling. Very filling.